We have got our wrecker back. We have got all our new cameras in it for security. And we're fixing to impound this old hunk of junk. Show y'all some of these cameras if I can turn this camera around. That is one facing forward. That is one facing me. That is our monitor looking at us. And grab my remote and show y'all. Let me switch to my backup camera real quick. Roll on down here. There's our lift. I'm not going to have to look over my shoulder too much anymore. There's our hunk of junk that we were towing. It's got two freaking flats on one daggum side. It is such a piece of junk that the man who bought it is a dealer and he does not want it. Paid money for this van and doesn't want it. He wants it gone, wants it impounded, wants his own van towed. I'm gonna jump out and show y'all the rest of these cameras real quick and then we'll get this thing going. Holy sweet Jesus, it is hot in Mobile, Alabama. That is one. That is two. That is our backup camera down low. So we are cameraed out. Yes, sir. And all of our cameras are recording via this sucker right there. Let's see if it shows you. You can't see the recording light flashing, but it is flashing. So this is what we're having to deal with today in 90 fucking degree heat. Holy God, you can see the ground. Oh my gosh. He said one of these tires might hold air, the other one is just blown out. That one, I think, might be the one blown out. I don't know yet. I'm gonna try to put air in that front one. I pray to the Lord that it will hold it. Please take air. Don't sound good. Trying something a little different here. Trying to get this rim back on this tire. Ooh, I hope I ain't stuck. Just bear with me. How we talking? I'm gonna have to adjust them back cameras. Oh. Big old sucker right there. Something like it if I creeper. It's a whole lot of van, y'all. That should be right. We are ready to roll with it, y'all. to hit the highway with this late ass traffic. Oh, this should be fun, especially coming up this hill into Tillman's Corner in Alabama this time of evening. All the police get called in. Then we gotta get out, steal some cars tonight. All right.